Hello and thanks for watching. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be replacing the steering wheel on my 2021 GMC Sierra. I was able to get almost the exact steering wheel for $135 on Amazon. The only difference is the stitching. This has the brown stitching where this has the gray stitching. Other than that, these are absolutely identical and for almost a third of the price. So let's put it in and see how it goes. Okay, the first step here, we went ahead and disconnected the negative battery terminal, and I've left this disconnected just about 45 minutes now, just to be extra safe. Remove these cover plates on both sides of the steering wheel to expose these bolts right here. It's a 10 millimeter. Now the airbag should just pull right out. And we'll have 3 connections to undo here. We got the purple, the pink, and the horn right here. So it's just a matter of pulling out the red tab and disconnecting it. Let me go ahead and do that with 2 hands and I'll be right back. And for these airbag connections, you're going to have tabs on both sides that need to be pulled up at the same time. So it'd probably be good to get a pick for one side or for both sides and pull them up, and I'll show you how that goes. All right, and there we have it. The airbag is released. To remove the steering wheel, we're going to need a T50. That is on there tight. I'm gonna need a little more leverage.
2 hours later.
All right, lesson learned. Do not use a cheap Torx bit to try to remove this nut. It completely twisted the bit here and messed up the threads on this bolt. Hopefully we can get it out. I'm back from the dealership with a brand new bolt. $12 at my local GM dealership, and also a trip to Harbor Freight to get a quality T50 bit.
Hours later.
After a ridiculous amount of time, I decided to weld the Torx bit directly to the bolt. Well, it's finally out. That took the better part of a day. What a mess that was. Okay, we'll go get the torque wrench now. After torquing down the steering wheel nut and reconnecting all the wires, now I'm installing the two 10mm bolts that hold in the airbag. All right, here goes nothing. Let's test it out. All right, no airbag warnings, no warnings whatsoever. Let's go ahead and pull this off for the big reveal. Look how nice that is. Brand new. Brand spanking new. Doesn't that look good? And actually, I kind of like the brown stitching. It kind of matches the brown wood trim. What a beautiful steering wheel. What a pain it was installing it. That bolt was the most frustrating bolt I've ever dealt with in my entire life. But we got it out. And it was a success. Thanks for watching.